Sorry. Okay. B. Like that. What is that quote? Kind of you. Sorry. For now. Boom. Pass. Thank you. I will drink some water. Actually, sorry for me. That's it. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I really. Yeah. SpongeBob, talk to me. Endo. Yeah. VTuber. That's the beef stick. End it. My wife is Jenny. You know what I mean? Singapore noodles. I love that. But I don't have curdle here. And you're supposed to have dip. Weekly. Oh fuck. And then she's trapping burp. Okay, hold on. Let me first. Hey. Thank you, Mousy. Yeah. Okay. We'll do it again. Guys, I don't think we're hitting too through. That's for you. A burp. Of course, it's not by or something. I don't think I needed to know that. Let's do. Okay, add to party. In fact, if you will.
This is a soup.
You're on. Sorry, not really. I don't want this to be my. Is there stuff here? Oh yeah. Subscribing to. Nice. Really? Hi. I'm gonna get beef stick. I made. Sorry. Thank you, Flock. I just drank a. Excuse me. Very white people stuff. Bad man. 10 is not a color. Ow. I gotta scroll over my music. Oh, Wolfish. I hope Wolfish is okay. I haven't. That's so. It's fine. What the fuck? Okay. I already fought you. What if I die and I get fine? It's fine. Let's do it. Oh, that was quite. I go warm now. Danger? Whoa, that one. Yeah. Sorry. Hi, Gatsby. Phenomenal. Fun. PC acquired. Hell yeah. Well, it's above my clothes.
Truth.
Like. You're the only text. Oh, excuse me. Not once. Hail. You know my keyboard? We don't. Whoa. Yeah, my bad. Thank you. Nice. And I. And here I am. I sing off tomorrow. And I know that was for. Now I have to do it again. About earlier. Curdle. Hold on. even. Oh! Fuck. Do I have to... People always tell me to watch The Office.
It will completely destroy you.
Oh, fuck. We were doing this game. I'm good. That was fine. Yeah, no, that... before, how do I... Okay, let me see. Over again? Oh, my God. You show up in my doorway like afro out. Hi, Yoshida. Hi, Paradox. That's me. I've been fucking my throat. Alright, fuck. Night 3. Gotta do some laundry, sorry. Thank you for your lurkies, sorry. Okay, I need more penicillin. Oh my god, sorry. And I'm ready. I don't want to use up my body for... Oh my god, that was crazy. It's gonna be... Oh my god, playing again, I think...
Emergency room.
Can you leave? Like, your aunts, your aunt... Hi, Error! Thank you for your awas. I think, the other one is sus as fuck. Fest. He goes, man, you're... Girl. Paper... And then the ads haven't started. At least they have, like, their... I feel bad for... Ugh. Not coming out. Oh, there we go. I want to try opera as well.